This might just be Samsung's boldest move or its riskiest. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to ditch one of its most iconic features, the S Pen, or at least the version we've come to expect. But wait, it gets weirder. That change might be happening just to make room for magnets. Yeah, magnets. And while we're still dealing with the same battery from 2020, Samsung might quietly be making moves that change the entire Galaxy lineup as we know it. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're into smart tech talk with zero fluff, hit like, share it with someone who's still using a Note 20, and subscribe for more updates just like this. Let's talk about that pen. The S Pen used to define the Ultra line, but Samsung has been slowly watering it down. First came the loss of Bluetooth, then air gestures vanished, and now, according to fresh leaks, the digitizer might be next to go. That's the sensor that actually makes the pen function inside the screen. If Samsung kills that off, the S Pen doesn't just get downgraded, it becomes something else entirely. Here's the exciting news: you can now reserve Samsung's upcoming Galaxy devices and unlock amazing benefits without making any payment upfront. Just click the special link in the description, which takes you straight to the official Samsung reservation page. There, you'll also get an exclusive sneak peek at their unpacked teaser trailer. Once you're on the site, simply scroll down and enter your first name, last name, and email address. You can also add your phone number if you like. Make sure to check the giveaway box and answer 2 quick questions. Once the Reserve Now button turns blue, tap it, and you're all set. By reserving early, you'll automatically get a chance to win 5,000 Samsung credit, receive a 50,000 Samsung credit, and unlock savings of up to 150 on your next Galaxy device. No strings attached, just free perks for showing interest early. So why would Samsung do that? One reason: to make space for the new Gi2 magnetic ring, rumored to debut in the S26 Ultra. If that's true, we're looking at Samsung's own version of MagSafe. Real magnets inside the phone, not just the case. That could open the door to magnetic accessories, wireless charging docks, camera grips, even attachable cooling fans. It's a big deal. But is it worth breaking the S Pen legacy to pull off? The plot thickens. The new S Pen might not fit inside the phone at all. It could use tech borrowed from the Fold series, chunkier external, and needing a special case to carry. No built-in slot, no instant access. That changes the entire experience. And the biggest cliffhanger of all: some insiders say Samsung is slowly preparing to remove the S Pen from the Ultra series altogether. That would be huge, and not in a good way for longtime fans. While we're talking missed opportunities, let's hit the next sore spot: the battery. It's 2025, foldables have evolved. AI is baked into everything. But the Ultra still has the same 1000 mAh battery we got in 2020. The same one from the S20 Ultra. That's 6 generations with zero increase. Meanwhile, rivals are pushing 6000, even 700 mAh in slim flagships. Still playing it safe, the only possible silver lining is faster charging. Rumor has it the S26 Ultra could finally bump past the 45W limit and jump to 65W or more. That would help, but it's still behind brands hitting 100Ws with ease. And with power-hungry AI features and high refresh displays, we're going to need every watt we can get. Camera fans, there's good news and not so good news. The Ultra is expected to stick with its 200MP sensor, but don't check out yet. Samsung has proven over and over that software tuning and AI enhancements can completely transform camera performance year to year. We could see major leaps in image processing, stabilization, and low light quality even if the hardware stays familiar. And there's more going on behind the scenes. Samsung's quietly changing where it gets its RAM. Instead of relying entirely on its own chips, a long-time competitor, for around 60% of the Galaxy S26 LPDDR6 memory. Why? Better yield rates, more efficient chips, and lower costs. That's not just cost cutting, it means better battery efficiency and smoother multitasking. And this move might finally bring global 16GB RAM options, not just region-locked versions. Now, let's rewind a bit. Remember when the Plus model used to sit awkwardly between the base Galaxy and the Ultra? That might be changing too. Leaks suggest Samsung is planning a comeback for the Edge series. The S26 Edge could replace the Plus entirely, giving us 3 distinct models: the S26, the S26 Edge with that iconic curve, and the Ultra. That lineup actually makes sense. More personality, more differentiation. Speaking of differences, Samsung is also bringing Exynos back to the stage. The Exynos 2600, built on a SIMM process, is rumored to power the S26 Edge and possibly even the base models in many regions. Meanwhile, the Ultra will stay Snapdragon only. Smart move. Samsung seems to be admitting that its best chip isn't better than Qualcomm's yet. But with new AI cores and better thermals, this could be Exynos' redemption arc. Maybe. As for the look and feel, don't expect a full makeover. But with Apple prepping a visual redesign for the iPhone 17, Samsung might follow suit with subtle refinements, thinner bezels, new colorways, and maybe that magnet integration we talked about earlier. And let's not forget, removing the digitizer and shrinking the battery could make the Ultra slimmer than ever. But again, is slim really the feature we're asking for? So here's the situation. We've got a thinner phone, possibly better memory, faster charging, and cool new accessories, all coming with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But at the same time, we're losing Bluetooth S Pen features, the battery's stuck in the past, and Samsung may be drifting away from what made the Ultra so unique in the first place. It feels like Samsung's betting big on future-proofing, magnetic ecosystems, smarter RAM sourcing, AI upgrades, while quietly letting go of features it thinks people won't miss. But what if they guessed wrong? What do you think? Is Samsung setting the stage for something groundbreaking or cutting corners where it counts? Let me know in the comments. And if you made it this far, thanks for sticking around. You're the real MVP.